right? We were doing revision of mixed sums. Mixed sums में last मैंने एक करवाया था, उसके दो चार जो options थी that I have discussed, but still I think you have any problem, so हम आज वहीं से start करेंगे. Last time I have told you जहां से हम छोड़ रहे हैं, so in the next class I will start from there. So I am starting from the mixed sums of addition and subtraction. So do it in your classwork notebook. No need to ask me again and again, ma'am, where to do it. आपको पता ही already कि कहाँ पे करना है. So revision of addition and subtraction, mixed sums. Statement is solve 3210 plus 2101 minus 3465. Very simple. Already I have discussed this sum many a times in the last class when जब हमारी class थी, I think on Thursday, right? So at that time I have discussed these type of sums also already in revision. So today we are going to start from here. क्योंकि आपको confusion है what to do first, addition or subtraction. And here my question is what to do first, addition, subtraction, or to solve the bracket. Write in the chat box. Firstly, what we will do, हम ये देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे प्लस है तो हम प्लस करेंगे, या हम यहाँ पे माइनस है तो माइनस करेंगे, या we will see that there is a bracket, we will solve the bracket first. Anisha has written plus, Dhankor bracket, Jivesh minus, Samreet bracket. आईडी with Jivesh बच्चे माइनस तो कभी पहले करनी ही नहीं है ना, माइनस हम पहले तब भी करेंगे when there is a bracket. सिंपल सी चीज. Bracket, solve the bracket first. Astik, Vedha, yes, good. Bhargavi, good. So we need to solve the bracket first. मैंने ना आपको उस दिन भी समझाया था. Firstly we will solve bracket. ठीक है, और ब्रैकेट में चाहे प्लस हो चाहे माइनस हो, we will solve the bracket first. And if there is no bracket, then we will do addition. So there is no option when we will solve subtraction first. कोई भी ऑप्शन ऐसी नहीं है जहां पे हम पहले माइनस करेंगे. Firstly we will solve bracket, then we will do addition, right? और एंड में जो बचेगा we will do. So in this sum, whether there is a plus in the bracket, but I will say I am going to solve the bracket first. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि मैं पहले प्लस करने लगी हूँ. I will solve the bracket first. Solution. Part 1, Part 2. So, in Part 1, the numbers are 3210, 2101. So, we are going to add these two numbers. So, add this and write the answer of Part 1. Just answer of Part 1. So I will not say it answer. The number which we get in part 1, write that in the chat box. Josna, Asik, yes. 5311, yes. Simarpreet, good. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Very simple. No borrowing, no carryover. In a simple way, we got 5311. Now what we will do? We will take this 5311 to the second part. Done. Okay. So I have put a arrow here just for your understanding. There is no need to put arrow. आप नहीं डालोगे. Okay. So now minus 3465 because we are left with minus 3465. So then we will solve this and solve it. Write your answers. Josna has written, don't know is this right or wrong. Later on I will tell you is this right or not. Sameer has written, okay. Astik, Different answer from Josna and Sameer, Kavish, Sameer, Anantika. Now everyone is writing 1846, but Josna and Sameer has written 1845. Obviously 446 will be the right answer because 11 minus 5 will be 6. No problem, I need more answers. Later on I will tell you. Simarpreet, Hiya, Uday, okay. देवांश बच्चे रॉन्ग आंसर, आसपास भी नहीं हो आप, मतलब वेरी डिफरेंट आंसर. So let's do it. So 1 and 5. So we cannot subtract 5 from 1. What we will do here? We will take borrow from here. यहाँ पे आ गया 0 and here will 1. Right? So 11 minus 5 is 6 and here is 0. Again need to take borrow. Here it will become 2 and it will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Again here it will become 4 and it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the complete answer is 1846. So this is the answer. The answer which we get in the second part is the answer. First part वाले मैंने जब when I was checking the notebooks, I have seen some of the notebook where you have written answer this, मतलब in this sum you have written two answer. No बच्चे, part 1 number, the number which we get in part 1 is not the answer because we have used this number in second part also. ठीक है? So the answer is which we get in second part. Clear? जो second part में answer आता है वो होता है answer. The number which we get in part 1 is just a number. This is not the answer. If anyone student has written in the notebooks there's answer, so please erase one answer and this is the final answer which we get in part 2. Clear? So now I will take one more sum related to this, then we will see what we will do first, addition or subtraction. So I'm going to erase this. Second number statement is again same, solve, right? Solve 1245 plus 4550 minus 2345. Now, see. Now you will tell me again. Firstly, what we will do? Can we do addition here firstly, or can we do subtraction, or we are going to solve the bracket first? No matter what is used in the bracket, plus or minus. Yes, very good. Now I'm getting right answer. We need to solve the bracket first. Whether there is minus in the bracket or plus in the bracket, but we will solve bracket. Okay. Yes, so now I am making two parts for the solution. Part 1, part 2. Okay. So in part 1, firstly we will solve this bracket. Hana? So I am writing here 4550 minus 2345. So firstly we are going to subtract these two numbers. आपको मैंने बोला है when there is a bracket first we will solve the bracket. No matter in the bracket there is plus or minus, जो भी bracket में होगा we will solve. Part 3. केतन आपने कौन सा part 3 बना दिया बच्चे? Only 2 parts are there. I don't know आप किसका आंसर लिख रहे हो? प्रभनूर, प्रीतिका, केतन. 3 students has written number, but all the numbers are different and I don't know whether this is the answer of first part or second part. 2205, 704. Gia, you have added. No need to add. We are going to subtract it, बच्चे. 2205. समीर 2202 कहाँ से आएगा? समीर ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे 5 है. Obviously 10 minus 5 is 5. So how you can write 2, बच्चे? 2205. Yes. पार्ट 2 का आंसर बाद में केतन. फर्स्टली पार्ट 1 का आंसर. रूही लिखी आईडी विद रॉन्ग है बच्चे, करेक्टेड. 2205 is the right answer. So let's see how. I don't know which answer is right. So firstly, let's see. Okay. So here will be 10 and here will be 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Very simple. So there is one place where we need to borrow. Otherwise, the answer is number is simple. So now I am taking this number to here, 2205, like this. Okay. So now we need to add this number to this, plus 1245. So 5 plus, chalo, this time again write your answer. Okay. 3450. Yes, Simarpreet Bache, I have seen. No need to write your answer again and again. I can see one time also. Yes, 3450 is the right answer. Yes. So 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 will be carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. Answer is 3450. Answer is 3450. Answer is 3450. Very good, those whose answer is right. Good. Yes. So I hope now your concept is clear, right? Good. Agree. Nice. So now we are moving to next sum. Statement sum I am taking here. You can open page number 48. So this is a different type of statement which I want to clarify your doubts. Like इस तरह की statement भी आपको आ सकती है. ठीक है? So for this, open page number 48. These are the extra sums. But in extra sum, there is a statement in a different way. No need to write the statement in your notebook. I am also not writing it on the board because we have book. I am going to read. So have you opened page number 48? Page number 48. Statement sum is 4th. Okay. So listen to me carefully. I am going to read it. The cost of one bicycle is rupees 2000. Okay. And other bicycle is rupees 4500. Right? मतलब एक bicycle है. Page Harsh I have written on the board also. 48. So bicycle की cost है, एक bicycle की cost है rupees 2000. एक bicycle की cost है rupees 4500. What is the difference between their cost? अब देखो statement is in a different way, but sum वही है जैसे हम करते हैं. Difference. What does a difference mean, बच्चे? What is difference? Dhankor, yes. Minus. So they have asked what is the difference between their cost. अगर मैं पूछूं सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछूं आपसे, पहले आप मेरे वो वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर करो कि आपकी एज है 12 years, सपोज यू आर 12 years and your brother's age is 10 year, right? Okay, so if I will ask what is the difference between the ages of both, ID with Krishika, बच्चे stop dancing, stop dancing, क्या हो गया? Everything is being recorded, आप मेरे कैमरा के बिल्कुल आगे हो, why are you dancing? आपको शौक है, आप एक अपनी वीडियो बनाओ, आप मुझे सेंड कर दो, मैं देख लूंगी, बट दिस इज योर स्टडी टाइम, मैं आपको इंटरप्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी, आप पूरे एंजॉय में थे, बट मैं डिस्टर्ब हो रही हूँ इससे। सिट क्वाइटली, पे अटेंशन, हैव यू ओपन पेज नंबर 48? लेट मी शो यू, मी शो मी। So now do this sum in your notebook, बच्चे। Pay attention, no need to dance. Yes, so I was asking, see, आप मतलब कनेक्शन तोड़ देते हो, इतना मतलब वे होता है पढ़ाने का, आप बीच में डिस्टर्ब करते हो। So I was asking कि the age, your age is 12 year and your brother's age is 10 years. So what is the difference between both the brother and sister या brothers जो भी हैं? 2 year है ना? तो मैंने सिंपल वे में आपसे पूछा कि इन दोनों की एज में डिफरेंस कितना है। ये बोलने का एक वे होता है, नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में भी हम यूज करते हैं, कई बार आपके मम्मा बोल देते हैं कि ये मेरा बड़ा बेटा छोटे बेटे से 4 साल बड़ा है, लाइक दिस, है ना, कि इन दोनों में इतना डिफरेंस है, ये 3 साल का डिफरेंस है, 4 साल का डिफरेंस है, डिफरेंस मतलब माइनस, कि वो 10 इयर्स का है, वो 12 इयर्स का है, और 2 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है बीच में। और इस सम की स्टेटमेंट भी सेम यही है कि एक बच्चे की बाईसाइकिल जो है वो 2000 रुपीज है और दूसरे की कॉस्ट है 45,000 रुपीज। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर कॉस्ट? सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर, व्हिच ऑपरेशन वी विल यूज? यस, वेरी गुड भार्गवी। पीयूष, क्या साइन किया अपने हाथों से? प्लस का या माइनस का पीयूष? Subtraction, minus, yes. So we will write Jasraj बच्चे, you are showing plus. How plus? अभी मैंने इतना आपको समझाया. Yes, now minus, now show कर रहे हो. पहले you were using 2 fingers. I have seen. So the statement will be, and मैंने आपको बोला था the bigger number should be on the top. ऐसे बोला हुआ ना मैंने. So we will keep 4500 at the top. Okay. So statement will be cost of one bicycle. So I will write rupees 4,500 at the top. Cost of one bicycle is rupees 4,500. Then I will write cost of other bicycle. और अगली बाईसाइकिल की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 2000. Cost of one bicycle is rupees 4,500. Cost of other bicycle is 2,000, and we will write a difference. Simple. We will write difference because they have asked the difference between their costs. They have asked the difference between their costs. So I am putting here minus sign and solving it. Simple. And answer will be, you are writing, Bhargavi has written 2,500 bicycle. बच्चे भार्गवी, हम बाईसाइकिल की काउंटिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम कॉस्ट देख रहे हैं. फॉर कॉस्ट व्हाट विल बी देयर? बाईसाइकिल आएगा कि कुछ और आएगा? नो वन हैज रिटन, नो वन. If there is no sign in your laptop or in your phone, you can write. You can write in words. Just Raj has written, okay, rupees 2,500. So the calculation is very simple. 0, 0, 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, and rupees. 2,500 is the right answer. Cost of one bicycle, cost of other bicycle, difference, rupees 2,500. Yes. So the motive behind this sum is not in your any exercise, but this sum was in your extra sums. So you also understand the meaning of these kind of statement also. आ सकती है आपको कि अगर this type की कोई statement हो तो तब भी आपने जो वहां पे लिखा है उसको understand करना. Clear? And if you have done बच्चे, ma'am has sent you a link in the chat box so you can mark your attendance. आफ्टर दैट वी विल कम बैक और आगे आप आगे कर सकते हो आपका अगर रहता है तो बट फर्स्टली मार्क योर अटेंडेंस ओके सीरत हैज रिटन मैम आई हैव डन वन मिस्टेक कॉस्ट ऑफ बच्चे सीरत सी आपने 2000 ऊपर लिख दिया और 4500 नीचे लिख दिया है ना बट मैंने ऊपर क्यों लिखा बिकॉज आई हैव टोल्ड यू वन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन दैट द बिगर नंबर शुड बी ऑन द टॉप अब आप देखो सीरत आप 2000 में से 4500 को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं ना कर सकते इसलिए नो प्रॉब्लम इफ यू हैव डन मिस्टेक करेक्ट इट इरेज करो अपने सम को और बिगर नंबर को ऊपर लिखना है आपने राइट डन सीरत इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड यू हैव रिटन मी प्राइवेटली लिख दो अगर आपको समझ आ गया व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू डन ओके गुड good so mostly students have done attendance line so those who have not completed this sum complete it now we are moving to next sum okay so again I'm going to take one subtraction sum because you need more practice in subtraction sums there you do mistakes I know and ID with Saksham Dhingra who is sitting in front of the camera नव्या अगेन आप जानबूझ के ऐसी चीजें करते हो सी you have sent emojis in the chat box is there any need ID with Navya this time I am thinking one thing अगर कोई भी बच्चा this type of things या कुछ भी ऐसी चीजें chat box में भेजेगा या लिखेगा I will never take his or her name never simple because इस वे से आप अपना वर्क नहीं कर पाते हो अच्छे से अब सॉरी लिख रहे हो देयर इज नो नीड टू से सॉरी बट दिस इज बैड अगर आप कुछ भी इमोजीज या कुछ भी कर रहे हो डांस कर रहे हो या कुछ भी इट मींस यू आर नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन योर वर्क एंड लेटर ऑन यू विल टेल अस मैम समझ नहीं आया या हमारा काम नहीं हुआ दिस इज रॉन्ग सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मेनी स्टूडेंट जो इतना अच्छे से काम करते हैं ना कई बार मैं नेम नहीं लेती हूँ उनका बट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बहुत अच्छे से बैठते हैं बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करते हैं उनको देख के खुशी होती है लेकिन क्या बोलूं अब मैं सिर्फ इंटरप्ट करते हो आप बीच में टीचिंग को और कुछ नहीं है बट नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई भी ऐसे चैट बॉक्स में इमोजीज लिखेगा या कुछ भी आएगा ना आई विल नेवर टेक हिज और हर नेम ओके सो नाउ नेक्स्ट सम इज subtract sum number is fourth subtract 4590 from 5200 subtract 4590 from 5200 and firstly tell me which number should be at the top quickly which number should be at the top Astik Okay, good. Prabnur, Dhankar, Harsh, good. Very good. So means you know which number should be at the top. That's good. So 5200 should be at the top. Why? Because this is the bigger number. And the statement is also कि हमें from मतलब सिंपल से अगर मैं पढ़ूं कि subtract this from this कि इसमें से हमने इसको subtract करना है. Okay. So solution is 5200, 4590. Now solve this sum. 5200, 4590. Solve this and let me know its answer. This Raj has written, okay. Dhankar, Kavish, Krishika, Harsh. Okay, now the answers are same. No one is giving me different answer. That's good. It means the calculation is quite simple, Anna. Mostly you have written the answer 610. I am waiting just for the different answer. अगर किसी का कुछ different हो, yes, just start बच्चे. Now everyone show me your notebooks in front of the camera. Just start. You can put down. I have seen good. Harsh, okay. Raj Kaval, Dinesh, Harsirat, Prabnoor, और Saksham, Anisha. Yes, Udayveer, yes, बच्चे. Now you can put down your notebooks. Hriday, Piyush, Josna. Okay, Sameer, Bhargavi, Samri. अगर किसी का नेम रह जाए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है. I am also watching. So 610 you have written. So let's see how. Let me see if this answer is right. 0 minus 0 is 0 in a simple way. So here it will become 10 and here 1. 10 minus 9 is 1 and again here is 1 and here is 5. So it will take carry from the 5, 4 and 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Very good. Answer is 610. We can also leave 0. One answer I have got different. Priyanka Kale 710. So बच्चे check your answer. The answer is 610. Okay. So we have 4 minutes left. तो जल्दी से हम एक और sum कर लेते हैं quickly. Simple way में. The fifth number is 540 less than 1000. 540 less than 1000 means 1000 से 540 less. 1000 से 540 less. See, again we are doing subtraction sum, but here I have taken different statement. 540 less than 1000. हमने addition वाले में किया था ना, 200 more 2800 more में आपने add किया था. तो less means minus. 540 less than 1000 means 1000 minus 540. So Bhargavi has written answer. Okay. Quickly, only 3 minutes are left. IT with Priyanka बच्चे, फोर्थ का आंसर था 610 और आपने लिखा था 710. 460 Bhargavi, 450, Ekveer 460, Bhargavi again 460. Now you have changed your answer. Josna 460. So तभी बोलती हूँ जल्दी मत करा करो. No need to hurry. जल्दी के चक्कर में you always do mistakes. 460. Yes. 0 minus 0 is 0. So here will be 10. आपको ये calculation को पता है. So I am not explaining it again and again. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. So answer is 460. Simple. Okay, so complete this. So again, we have done today mixed sums and this subtraction sums. So this is all just our revision. Next time we will start multiplication and division sums. उनकी revision करेंगे हम. Okay. So until then be prepared for everything. All the sums आपको आने चाहिए. Yes, Krishika, I have seen. So now you can show me your notebooks in front of the camera. I can see. So this was all for today's class.